Chicken liver, fish. For more than a year, maybe not even more than 2 years. And then the question of Marlon was that, what can you make out of that friendship? If you end up where they fought, then you would say nga, babaw yun ay ilang friendship. But then if you read on, you notice that both of them tried to reconcile themselves and even to help one another in the fight and things like that, until one of these guys, si Chakuha siguro to or something like that, the other guy punished his people or prisoner by boiling them in the cauldron. Gihimog balbacua ang ilang mga tao. So giaway siya ni Timujin, tapos nagbuwag na po sila. Pagkatapos there was a time nga even his own men kuan niya, sumbong niya kan Timujin as plotting against him. And then so of course Timujin was thankful, but at the same time he punished those men. Instead of pasalamat, he punished those men because you are not loyal to your boss. Very interesting consideration, because you look at different culture, you will see that the analogy is true. Okay. His favorite logo where on how do you call that now? Look at this very yummy bread. Image processing.
Yes, check out the fruits.
Some sticky rice, seaweed, dried seaweed, and then we put some mayonnaise. Is that mayonnaise? And then cucumber, and mango, some more cucumber, and then the mango, and the fake crab. Is that crab? Crab meat. Crab meat. Okay. Put some crab meat on it.
Yeah.
And then you use the, what is that, roller something?
Roll mat.
Huh?
Roll mat.
Roll mat. Okay, use the roll mat.
Hit the roll mat.
The plastic covered roll mat.
Interesting. With the wrap it again with seaweed.
Yeah, wrap it some more. Push it some more to make it into the square cube shape. And then you can cut it. So by the way, that is like puto, sticky rice.
Japanese rice na naikuan ay suka o sticky sugar.
Sticky rice. Sugar and vinegar. Okay.
Sugar and vinegar?
Yeah. And it's very tempting. Look here. Look at those Krispy Kremes.
Thank you.
Tagpila massage.
270 o 290 sir. Sir?
Right? Nasa method.
This one looks like a good place.
Oh yeah. It's a good place. Oh, finally we arrived home. Thank God we're home. This is your kitchen.
It looks good,
area. And look at your ref. It's so large. Like, wow, that's more than half.
Yeah, of the entire thing for your freezer. Look at the cabinets. Wow, really well done. I did not know you live here.
Sorry?
I did not know you live here.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Yeah, thanks for welcoming me to your home.
With the same enthusiasm.
Are you convinced I'm rich?
Yeah, a little bit. Excuse me, I need to go to the bathroom for a while.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's you want to use it?
Yes. But this easily would be 4 million, huh?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure. Look, you can have shower here. Oops. It's an open shower though. Yeah, if you know you're okay with it, then that's your open shower.
Yeah, they'll have
You got your clothes here? Oh, nice collection you have. Oh, you have these kinds of clothes.
Yeah.
Are these your sisters?
I didn't have a wife, but I had a sister.
Nice TV you have. Okay, so this is a Lisa. Nice. Is this the one you're buying?
Yeah. Could you drive this home already?
Okay, let's see if the keys are here. Let's see what's inside.
Popular now are the Koreans.
Yeah.
Diba? And as a matter of fact, this is a stairway to heaven.
Why did you say that?
Yeah. You know that song?
Yeah.
Inabot mo ba yun?
Yeah. Stairway to Heaven, Led Zeppelin.
Yeah.
One of my favorite karaoke pieces.
Really? That it's a, how do you call that? Sabog, kantang sabog.
Yeah. It's like when you're having marijuana.
And then I suppose you still remember Lucy in the Sky with Diamond.
Yeah.
So
Is that
actually,
being high?
you know why it is Lucy? Because LSD.
Ah.
Lucy in the Sky with Diamond.
Ah, wow. Yeah. I didn't know that. I just
Yeah.
know it now.
And then that's why. Let it be, you know that, no?
Mm.
So, because Mother Mary said to me because of Mary Jane.
Ah, okay.
What?
Hey, you met your friend.
Hi.
Your friend. Bye. Okay, bangus, bola-bola, crabs, lumpia, chorizo, and lots of other yummy foods. And look, my favorite. Another favorite.
High blood.
Oh, another one. Hey, Professor, look at this.
What's that?
My favorite, another favorite of mine.
Oh, the langka with gata.
Bacon,
Corn.
rice and corn, and lots of pepper.
Oh,
That's our favorite. And secret, some more secret ingredients.
Secrets in the sauce.
And that's it. That is your super lunch. Very nice.
Kasi sinusok siya, dili siya matagat.
Wow. So it has ice.
What does it do?
Vacuum.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It can't fall down because it has sensors.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yang iya ko na ni sir na siya map. Bilang ado ka po. Na siya
Ah,
map.
so where's the vacuum part?
Imula siya ikon man, sir. Yang kwan sir, yang storage.
Ah, okay.
Mga kwan bitaw, mga abog bitaw sir, balay busayro, aray na siya.
Yeah.
Masangit. Masangit na siya diri. Yan na po siya pang disinfect. Butalim siya alcohol there sir. Ayan. Balik ni mo niya. Nya ang iyang ko na sir kanang na siya kanang charger. Charger bitaw sir na halimbawa malubat na siya, mudaga na siya dito, mo charge automatic.
Oh, pili ito makana usap ang ilaw.
Kakain sa ilaw. Ano siya map sir?
Okay, so muna yung wheels, yung mount, and this the vacuum part. Muna yung steering, I guess. Brush.
Ano siya sir? 29 niya. Ano sir?
29,000.
Yeah, ano.
Oh, isa man yung charger.
Charger niya sir. Kanang kuan.
Mo-connect na siya diretso.
Oh,
A
mukunik
battery na eh?
Oh, battery.
Rechargeable?
Oh, chargeable.
Mo-connect na siya by
So,
itself.
automatic na siya. Asa sir? Yan,
Ah,
charger.
okay.
Bato.
So, masama siya mo, saan niya pag-charge?
Ano siya sir? Ano na siya? Mapato na siya diha.
Pato na siya, yeah? Asam siya mo-connect?
Kani?
Pwede matanaw ang iyang ilaw. Tawag na ko iyang ilaw, Bill. Yung iyang charger. Ah, kani. Dire siya
Ano
mo-connect.
siya mo?
Okay, so dire siya mo-connect. Ah, amazing. Matultulan na niya.
Matulto.
Nasa na yung warranty?
Kuan 3 years yung warranty yan sir? Kuan 29 ah 29,900 na may less start kasi 20 yan.
Less 9,000?
Oh, 30% man.
20,000 na lang. Professor, it's now just 20,000.
Wow.
He just gave us a 9,000 peso discount because we attempted to leave.
Yeah.
And now we can't leave.
Oh.
But you stay here, I'll be back for you.
Yeah.
Now you can't leave because he just gave you 9,000 peso discount. How can you leave now? Look, you're frozen. You can't walk.
Are you getting it?
Okay, let's have snacks here. Wow, looks yummy. Looks really yummy. The warranty they're offering is 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah. If you buy the original of that, maybe you'll only get a year. But that one is 3 years warranty.
Yeah, but then normally you have the warranty of 3 years, and then the next thing is that you'll end up going crazy looking for the place where warranty will be served.
Well, they said it's in Lapu-Lapu. Maybe their technique is they'll say, just like what the car companies do, they will tell you, this part, sir, is not covered by the warranty because it's a moving part or something consumable. We can give you free labor, but you'll have to buy the part.
Oh,
That's what the car companies do.
yes, because that's what was that one? Kanang dikasa ang mga auto.
Yeah,
That's
and
what-
then you will say, what? I did not see that in your paperwork.
Oh.
And they will show you it's there, oh. Give me the magnifying lens.
There you go.
It's there.
The fine print.
Yeah.